Hello. In this video, we are going to transfer a polar form equation into rectangular form. The equations to remember here is that we know r squared is equal to x squared plus y squared, and that we know that r sine of theta is equal to y, r cosine of theta is equal to x. So we look at 36 and we see we don't have r sine theta, nor do we have an r squared. So what we're going to do in our first step, while I rewrite this, what we're going to do in our first step is multiply both sides by r. When I do this, I can rewrite the left side as r squared, the right side as 3r sine theta. Now I can make my substitutions. R squared is equal to x squared plus y squared, and r sine theta is equal to y. So this becomes 3y. Now we're not done just yet. We do have to move that 3y over. And if you notice, that means now we're going to have to complete the square because we have something that's formulating a circle here, and we need to complete this square. So in order to complete the square, we're going to take the b value, that middle value, multiply it by 1/2. We get -3/2. Square that value, and we're going to get 9/4. 9/4 goes in the blanks. And then next, we need to factor the left side of the equation for the y's, because we know it's going to remain x squared. Let me move everything up a little bit, because we know it's going to remain x squared, but this guy right here is going to change, and it's going to change because we can factor this. We created a perfect square. Now the shortcut is, this is the answer right here. We already did all the work. You do not need to factor this. We can just rewrite this as y minus what is inside that parentheses value that we squared, 3/2 squared, and then continue writing it is equal to 9/4. Now let me clean it up and write it one last time, nice and clean. X squared plus y minus 3/2 squared equals 9/4. And that is it. You can see that we have a circle, a center at 0, 3/2, with a radius being the square root of 9/4, which is 3/2. There you go. That is how you convert from polar form to rectangular form.